Hisense Air Conditioner Reset Button. The Hisense Air Conditioner Reset Button is an important feature that comes with the air conditioner. Many people are not aware of this feature, and they end up spending money on getting their air conditioner repaired. But with the help of the reset button, you can save yourself the trouble and the money. Firstly, you need to locate the reset button on your Hisense air conditioner. Usually, it is located on the remote control or on the indoor unit of the air conditioner. Once you have located the reset button, you need to press it and hold it for a few seconds. After that, your air conditioner will reset, and it will start functioning properly. But what are the situations where you need to use the reset button? Well, there could be several reasons why your air conditioner is not functioning properly. For example, it could be due to a power outage, a faulty sensor, or a clogged filter. In such situations, the reset button can come in handy. It will reset the air conditioner's settings and clear any errors that might be causing the malfunction. To sum up, the Hisense Air Conditioner Reset Button is an important feature that can save you from the hassle and cost of getting your air conditioner repaired. So, next time you face any issues with your Hisense air conditioner, don't forget to use the reset button.